pa maame bi wo adjuso empotem ho akire wo baabi ekro bi nkro na wo ho no bi se onwe so baabi saa na maame no ene ne ma ene nananom mienu ene wo fie maame pani na ne afi ne nananom mienu na wo fie ena maame ewo demo na maame pie ba ya no behu sa brante bi o community ni mu ho asese bi na dwene mu ewo adwene mu ha kakra abrante na fa ba poliwa bi ena ode wapagya wo nkwada ne so ena maame ne se na den wodi bon kwada ya se wakuo mo abrante na nte ne ho ase bowura dem ho ekọ maame ne ho ede aba no kọ bru maame no panya asem ketua owie no ne nananom kwada nketua no sa de bobọ wo mo na tete wo mo ayase ene maame na me ne wo kan ho asem maame ne da Confirmation Teaching Hospital na owie ye no ena ye se ne yenko police station yenko report no na also man police medical report form enti onfanko hospital na yenye ne nhwehwemu ne yembisa na doctor eman report emfa emra na yegina so emfa brante nimpo yenko che no na say yemfa no court maame ne call hospital no doctor say obeje omumie nsa no obia 600 Ghana cedis enti no 6,318,800 Ghana cedis na maame na me kana sem no minka so ye hiani because I don't like that word onibi oye boja onibi maame ni bi uhunu a you will feel sorry for that woman enti maame ni koya ye kan sa che no si bo e no san ba ne fie e betena ne baby otifia na omuni tu fie se kum e no omde ne ko to hospital eno nti maame na nya sika no entua doctor no medical report form no doctor no edema no enti wentimi anye enti asam no entimi anko court wamo anya brante ne hwe na when I'm aging and I'm saying, Nancy, can we continue as a country? 2027 Domestic Violence Act 732 and a launch be a friend Victims Domestic Violence Support Fund. Yeah, no, voluntary contributions na become parliament and so contributions near de dofsu and so na omo aye agent to buakakra from ankrankra ho near de. It's 2007 Domestic Violence Act 732 2007 to and asamra na baye na baye no empanimfo wo man yimu wo mo akabie wo mo hwe ya hu say ade no still it is not working fund no is not working enti Mekai say in 2017 and so yewra IGP na oho sabre no one also so eka assemby 2017 Friday 22nd December 2017 sabre na David Asante appear to and na wo say rape victims to benefit from free medicals. Rape victims, we are talking of domestic violence. One wa wa yakayaka die wo fie ya edeko dofsu no. Enti say ye rape, say ye obi abebu abra enfamra kwan so we prawo ya uko siki redress and say uko court na ye be fa nipa no edna ko ginam emranim na ye di nasem no. Eno hu komo na ye die. And David Asante appear to in the case I'll say victims okay well Major Jeff come back I'll say victims who will report at the health facilities and sanka mamia and can watch no call hospital no who will report at the health facilities with police forms will be taken care of free of charge according to the Chief Superintendent Reverend Laurentia Akoli, National Coordinator of the Domestic Violence and Victim Support Unit, DOVSU, under the Ghana Police Service. Enti mami ase o kan no. Plans na omo kan no as of 2017 no enu no emra no say na emra no e kire. Na wo hwe nhwehwemu na akoso a research na akoso a research wey omo ye no Accra. So the research was based in Accra. Omo che say a research into domestic violence in Accra. Actually say ose emma womo efasa ateti ni mu anasa yakayaka die ni mu no womo call hospital a womo nya sika ntua enti na ne say ene ma menye mu enti ose research into domestic violence in Accra has shown that women who are victims of domestic violence are forced to pay for medical treatment. They are forced to pay for medical treatment and report in contravention of the Domestic Violence Act. You can't contravention and say etia it's a Domestic Violence Act now. Because of 2017, which provides that such medical services should be free. Now, just say asam no a Jimmy Samoa ma medwene ho amentiase se maame no eda so da yaresabia Rafik Salam ya oye Joy FM reporter akoye research bi ewo wa in fact okodi djuma bi ewo wa na yentie wa medical director na semo okan yentie
vulnerable people shelters for persons or young girls suffering violence has not been adequately targeted, and we think that that is where the biggest problem is. If out of the DV fund we are allocating between 20 to 10% of the fund to address the primary vulnerabilities of domestic violence, then it is a concern, and therefore we are calling on the Domestic Violence Secretariat and the Ministry of Gender and Children and Social Protection to be able to carefully target vulnerable segment of society.
Eti Rafik Salam report no medical director no eji tomu say it's a problem. Yeah, what say domestic violence and victim support unit no wo mehwe sa de nanka fund no wo mo de aye adwuma but besi ne yente so bi akọ any victim akọ eye hospital ama doctor assign bibi ana wa ye nhwemu as ama no report aka hyen so on fa no hu nkodida. They charge between 300 and 600 Ghana cedis. Now, so let's say you will not get justice. You will never get justice in this country. Now, is justice for sale? Justice, is it for sale? Yeah, to justice. Yeah, to pari ya na. Yenti obiti ni baby. Now obi abesese no abofra me kan ni mami ni bi ni papa ni bi. Obi abesese no enka ye crime in this country. So obi commit crime a oni aban na enya you see the state versus the person. A state no any nipa no na enya. Enti ba ne say na me a metimi ba bi. Na obi abaye me bone ete sa me ni sika nti me ntimi nya atentene ne. Emre yi wo ho for a long time. But people are forced to pay. What is happening? There be a lip service and you pay, yet the unknown yaka, and you be say. Enti mami amikan or the hospital when Timia justice because when Jessica enter medical report form, Oko doctor no or so on one in school. On one in school. And when you want to make channel the on you need to pay. Or catch us untria court, if you charge 1,000 Ghana cedis. In some instances, or had the veracity of the problem. Say problem emudrono and or their charge. Etibane saying ena yenya yete o mani mu a yenni bie na nipa bone for epese di yawu yentimi nya justice for ourselves wabra emran so wo ho. Now members of parliament multi parliament ho, what are you doing? Enti yeni etu abama mo. In fact musha emrano na your enforcers ho, but we vote for you to think for us. We vote yetu abama mo sebe mba gina mayen. Enti besi ne rape victims, are they benefiting from sa fund na sa support fund no? Are they benefiting? Why na what for say ya de animu a wako doctor ho na doctor Simon no akase fa hu kodi because of a funder e wo honti. Why? Those who are you aware of this fund? How many people and etimi accesses our fund? How many people? Entima meni da ho ne man kwada no wo so da wo tete won ya se wo gu ho. No justice for them because they don't have money. Justice, is it for sale in this country? Pari ye ton wana. Ye ton pari ye. Your Excellency, wa pound for one wa pa wono. Twabasi won so. Na ka che won se wo mo nya adwuma ye de ahye won sa no. Because you cannot be paid and be sitting in the office. You need to work. So many people and also suffer injustice. Womunya attention because of sika omuni nti. Enti said the Attorney General Department ewo ho. Na unya crime issues of crime. Yadema Attorney General na say the state versus the perpetrator no. enti yentimi nya aban doctors yenti asɛm a ti say nka omo dove so ho na nka doctor na a examine wo issue bi ba na nka ya assign no say doctor we ho na on few o few we are no am report na ja wo dia ba without paying anything yentimi nya saa and ye giant ye gum and ye kobasa just like that. Justice for sale. We can't continue like this. Yen timin kosu say ya. And this is a call to the government. Enti yes also crowd legal aid in ho. Legal aid. How many people are able to access sa aid no? One more pound when you say, Senipa Bonibia and I say Obia Cosa or Atiti anymore. One more fat one hosono. Any person where are they visible? Where are they? I mean, how many people enter to me in your services no? How many people? Mama Yanjin home. Oh my Ghana. Attending Yenton. And you'll be all right. It is a right of everybody. Everyone has the right to legal aid. Everyone has the right to fair trial, justice. Everything can you I Nhyira 104.5. Ejetu ato because G money and I saw you saying a day a brewo.